Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Tires are an important component of the automobile and commercial vehicle industry, where the production and sales of vehicles directly affects the dynamics of the tire industry. Owing to a continuous growth over the past decade, both in terms of volume and revenue, the tire industry currently represents a multi-billion-dollar industry. Driven by rising population, urbanization, lifestyle changes, and an increase in disposable incomes, the purchasing capacity of consumers worldwide has increased significantly. This has propelled the demand for automobile and commercial vehicles, which in turn is driving the growth of the global tire market. Today, we're in Charlotte, North Carolina, with the King Machine Corporation. For 70 years, King Machine has been considered the tire mold industry's leader with the most technologically advanced, independently owned mold company in the United States. If there is one attribute that defines King Machine, it is their e-mold program. Through this quick service program, King Machine is the world's fastest tire mold manufacturer. King Machine makes the molds in which new tires are formed at the factory. When the tread design is changed, the tire maker buys new molds and looks no further than King Machine. Their service business segment allows them to repair tire molds and tire manufacturing equipment. King Machine has been expanding throughout North America, with 12 plants located near tire plants to offer mold repair and mold services. Get moving with King Machine and see them at kingmachinemolds.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.